People say lots of things. You can't dream that big. You can't be successful. You can't fix it. It's too late. We decided to do something about it.
Have you seen the land?
Everything that can be wrong is wrong. This soil is pure sand. It's super difficult to store the water.
I'm scared as fuck.
It barely rains here.
Any festival organizer will say this is not the right place to organize one.
We decided that we would regenerate Europe through festivals.
You can't inspire thousands into regeneration, so we'll make it fun. You can't bring back water, so we'll find water.
Oh my god, I'm still a bit tired, but you know what the good news is? I'm soaking wet, which means that there is so much water, even when it doesn't rain.
You can't find people to work here, so we'll come in with thousands. You can't build community while building ecosystems, so we'll do both. They say it can be done. And they're right. Alone we can't. But together we will. We're building the biggest community to hack regeneration. Will you be part of the first?